Namaskar. Welcome to my YouTube channel BK Crochet Art. Today we are going to make this very beautiful crochet cap or beanie for men. It's so simple to make. We'll make the cap lengthwise. So we'll make chain as per our length required. And we'll go on knitting as per our requirement. So let's start. Our wool is of 4 ply and crochet is of 3 mm. First we'll make a slip knot. And then we'll make a chain of 12 inches. So I have made 70 chains, which is equal to 12 inches. "70 chains I have measured is equal to 12 inches. It may vary as per our wool. So more or less stitches may be required for different wools. Now for the first row we'll make first a single chain and then we'll make single crochet in every chain. So 70 single crochets we'll make first. First row we have completed with 70 single crochets. Now second row, one chain for turning and we'll make single crochet from back. Not taking the full chain, we'll take half chain, half back chain from the back. So henceforth we'll always make single crochets from back side. Since all the cap is made by single crochets, it is very easy for beginners to knit this cap. Again we'll make 70 single crochets from back for second row. Second row we have also completed. Now in the third row we'll not knit the whole 70 chains, we'll make 8 less. That is, we'll knit 62 single crochets from back, leaving the last 8 single crochets that we'll not knit. Two rows we'll make with 70 single crochets and 2 rows will make 60 single crochets. Now 8 chains are left, so we'll turn from here only. Total 8 chains are left. So we'll not make one chain, we'll skip first and we'll make single crochets, that is we'll knit 61 single crochets, not 62 this time. This is because we don't want a big hole at this side, we simply make slope. So let's complete our fourth row also. Now fourth row we have completed with 61 single crochets from back. Now fifth and sixth again we'll make 70 single crochets. First we'll make 61 single crochets. After 61 single crochets, we'll pick up one at the center and again we'll make 70 single crochets as per our first row. So 2 rows we'll make with 70 single crochets from back and 2 rows we'll make 62 single crochets from back. This is only that pattern of the cap, which is quite easy. So we'll knit as per our head measurement. Total I have made 96 rows. Now we'll stitch the two sides and we'll stitch from the front side. And we have to stitch the two sides very neatly so that joint is nowhere visible. See, we cannot see the joint. Now we have to put the thread through this side. And then we'll pull it tightly. We'll pull it very tightly and stitch the thread. I hope you will like the video. If so, please do share it. For more beautiful videos, please explore and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon by the side. Now our cap is ready. We'll fold. It is flexible, also tight. I am eager to see you with another beautiful video. Till then, have a good day and thank you for watching.